Hello friends, today we are going to learn the chapter Physical and Chemical Changes. Physical changes. Physical properties of a substance are those characteristics of a substance that describes its physical nature. For example, color, density, shape, size and volume are some physical properties. Physical change is a change which occurs when there is an alteration in the physical properties of a substance. The physical change does not result in the formation of any new substance but can alter the shape and size of the existing substance. Chemical changes. The chemical property of a substance are those characteristics of a substance that describes its chemical nature. For example, toxicity of a substance or how a substance reacts with other substances is its chemical property. A chemical change or chemical reaction is any change in the chemical properties of a substance. Whenever a substance undergoes a chemical change, a new substance is formed. Examples of chemical change. Rusting of iron occurs when iron gets in contact with moisture. When a magnesium ribbon is burnt, it radiates white light and converts into ashes. Formation of medicines. Extracting of iron from the iron ore. Formation of plastic. A chemical change is always accompanied by any one or all of the following way: radiation or absorption of heat, production of sound, change in the color of the substance, change in the smell of the substance, formation of a gas, formation of a solid as a residue. Example: burning of a substance such as coal, wood or candle results in production of heat and hence is a chemical change. Similarly, melting of ice is therefore a physical and endothermic change. The change in property is radiation or absorption of heat. Production of sound. Bursting of fireworks is a chemical change. It results in production of sound, heat, radiation as well as gas. When cut and left in open air, start acquiring brown color due to a chemical change. Similarly, rusting of iron results in change of color of iron to reddish brown is also a chemical change. Change in the color of the substance. Formation of a gas. When antacids are mixed in water, bubbles are formed indicating the production of a gas and therefore it is a chemical change. Change in the smell of the substance. When food gets spoiled, it produces foul smell. This is because of a chemical change in food. Rotten eggs often produce a bad odor due to production of sulfur. Formation of solids. Two liquids combine with each other and form a solid called precipitate. For example, shells of animals are precipitates formed by chemical changes. Change in energy. Almost all chemical reactions involve energy change. Some chemical reactions produce heat while some take away heat. A change or reaction in which heat is released is called an exothermic reaction. For example, in a reaction between carbon and oxygen, carbon dioxide is formed with the generation of heat. Carbon plus oxygen is equal to carbon dioxide plus heat. A change or reaction in which heat is absorbed from the surrounding is called an endothermic reaction. Reaction between vinegar and baking soda. Take vinegar, acetic acid in a glass beaker and add a pinch of baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate to it. We will observe gas bubbles coming out of the beaker. This is due to the release of carbon dioxide. This can be confirmed by making the gas produced pass through freshly prepared lime water. The lime water turns milky when carbon dioxide is passed through it due to the formation of calcium carbonate. Set up to pass gas through lime water. Carbon dioxide plus lime water, therefore calcium carbonate plus water. Copper sulfate chemical reaction. When copper sulfate reacts with iron, the color of the solution changes from blue to green due to the formation of iron sulfate. Copper sulfate solution plus iron is equal to iron sulfate solution plus copper. Rusting of iron. When the iron comes in contact with oxygen and water, reacts and forms a red color substance over it. It is called rust. Protection from rusting. The same can be done by greasing, oiling, painting and galvanizing of iron. The process of depositing a layer of zinc on iron is called galvanization. Rusting can also be checked by alloying iron with other elements. Stainless steel is an alloy of iron with carbon, chromium, nickel and manganese. Thank you.